Hi everyone, welcome back to the Planner 5D channel. I'm Virginia, and today we're diving into the conversation everyone is having in the design world, interior design trends for 2025. The talented designers at Planner 5D have put together a list of their predictions of what's going to be popular in the coming year. But before we dive in, I have a special offer for you. The holidays are basically here, so if you need a last-minute gift, how about giving a Planner 5D premium subscription? You can gift either a 1-month or 1-year subscription from now until December 31st. So check the link in the description to claim that offer, and maybe since you're here, just give this video a like. All right, we have a lot to cover, so let's dive in. Let's start with personalized comfort. One thing I love about this new era of design is that it's starting to feel more custom. With social media being so popular, we now have access to so many different trends, making it easier to find a style that fits your aesthetic. I'm noticing a lot more appreciation for those bold, vibrant colors while also including really comfortable furniture. People want their homes to match their personal expression and have their spaces be custom tailored to them. With more and more people living in compact spaces these days, there's a growing need to incorporate multifunctional designs and furniture. When you're living in a small space, every single square foot is important. So utilizing clever design solutions like versatile furniture, fold-out desks, and hidden storage can help you make the most of your space without sacrificing style or comfort. Vintage and retro styling is making a strong comeback. People are mixing old school furniture and decor with contemporary elements to create spaces that feel fresh, yet familiar, and most importantly, nostalgic. It's all about celebrating those amazing past decades with a little bit of a twist. This one is probably one of my favorite trends. Personally, I cannot relax if one of those big overhead lights is on over me. Ugh. Instead of using one big ceiling light, you can use a mix of ambient and accent lighting to create an inviting atmosphere full of depth and warmth. This is also one of the easiest ways to give your home a little makeover. Just changing out how you do your lighting can really elevate your space. Red and burgundy interiors are making a very bold statement in 2025. These deep, rich hues add a touch of drama and sophistication to any room. Whether it's used as an accent or throughout the entire space, these colors pair beautifully with neutrals or metallics. Quiet luxury focuses on understated elegance with high-quality materials. It's about creating spaces that feel really refined and high-end, but still prioritizing comfort. Using neutral palettes, luxurious textures, and bespoke furniture, the trend emphasizes craftsmanship and simplicity, offering a serene, timeless appeal without being showy. And that is the key here, quiet luxury. I think we're starting to drift away from showcasing these big branded logos and focusing more on high quality items that will last. No offense to these big designer brands, but sometimes the quality and craftsmanship doesn't match the price point. I put earth tones right up there next to layered lighting as one of my favorite trends. Although to me, this doesn't really feel like a trend because I think earth tones are timeless. Earth tones continue to be popular because they create this cozy, grounding space. These colors like terracotta, deep greens, and clay bring nature indoors. They are a perfect pair to natural materials like wood, linens, and stone, creating this really inviting, warm environment. Artisanal and handmade decor is all about embracing those unique, one-of-a-kind pieces. People are moving away from mass-produced items and instead opting for decor that showcases traditional craftsmanship. These handmade items often add personality and authenticity to a space, making it feel a bit more personal and unique. Textured surfaces add a lot of depth and interest to a room. Whether it's rough-hewn wood, woven fabrics, stone finishes, or metallic accents, this trend creates a tactile experience that makes the space feel more dynamic. Adding textures will help elevate the overall aesthetic, but it'll also make your home more inviting. Smart surfaces are here to stay as they are going to be the new norm. Technology and style are now becoming integrated, giving you the ability to completely change your space with just a click on a screen. Color-changing lighting allows you to change the mood of a room in an instant, and TV screens can now be used as paintings. There will be more and more that emerges this year, and I'm so excited to see what tech I can incorporate into my home. The pandemic and subsequent years have really heightened the need for nostalgia and that comfort that we got from it. So this trend draws on Baroque elements for a sense of history and culture, but presents them in a simpler, more minimal way. It's about creating elegant and luxurious spaces, but offering a balance between ornamentation and simplicity. Designs for Neuro-Diversity focuses on creating spaces that cater to those with different sensory needs. As we understand neurodivergence more, interiors are being designed to engage the senses in a way that promotes comfort and well-being. All right, we made it. 12 trends for 2025. Please let me know in the comments which trend you're most excited about incorporating into your home. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the premium subscription that you can gift to a loved one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.